How to use Sweatcoin app and earn money. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Sweatcoin application to earn money. So first thing, make sure you have successfully installed and signed in with your Gmail or any other account in this application. And once you do that, you will get this interface. And as you can see, you will be earning by setting a daily goal at first. And once you say complete a task for the daily goal at first, all you have to do is you can also earn by clicking on the daily rewards. As you can see, I've already claimed it. You just have to watch an ad for seconds. Here you can also watch the set coins unlocked from over here, and once again you have to watch the ad. So you can also earn it like this by watching tons of ads and claiming the daily reward. And you can also earn from inviting a friend like this over here, and that is exactly how you can earn. You can also get some rewards from over here by entering on the super draw for unlocking certain gifts, watching ads. So that's how you can earn from the Sweetcoin application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.